Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how, if you can, rent a house with bad credit. Because that's a question that's been asked. Well, if that's a question you've been asking, this video is for you. Can you rent a house with bad credit? The answer is yes, you can. You can rent a house with bad credit, but it might require extra effort and alternative strategies to convince landlords. So here's how to improve your chances. 1. Be honest and explain your credit situation. You see, some landlords may be understanding if you explain your past financial difficulties, maybe job loss, medical bills, and so on. Then you have to show proof of improved income or stability. For example, your recent pay stubs and employment letter. That's the first thing you need to do. Be honest and explain your credit situation. The second thing you need to do is offer a larger security deposit. If possible, offer 1.5 times or twice normal deposits to ease the landlord's concern. Some states limit deposits actually, like California, their maximum is 2 times the rent, so check local laws before offering this large security deposit. Next, you have to get a co-signer or a guarantor. You see, a credit-worthy co-signer, maybe a family member or friend, can guarantee rent payments. Ensure they understand they are legally responsible if you default. Number 4, provide strong rental history. You have to show proof of on-time rent payments from past landlords, even if it's unofficial. If you've never rented before, offer references, that is, employer, roommates. Number 5, you have to show proof of income. You see, landlords prioritize income stability over credit. So provide recent pay stubs showing at least 2.5 to 3 times the rent in income. You have to show bank statements if you are self-employed and employment verification letter. Then next, you can look for private landlords or smaller rentals. You see, private landlords versus big property companies may be more flexible. And also you can do this by checking Facebook Marketplace. Yes, check Facebook Marketplace. You can check Craigslist or local listings. You can also offer to pay rent early or in advance. Paying 3 to 6 months upfront, if possible, can reassure landlords. They use a rental lease guarantee service. We have services like the guarantors or rent track that act as a guarantor for a fee. You can also find no credit check rentals. You see, there are some listings, especially room rentals, sublets, or motel conversions that don't check credit. So check for such apartments, but be cautious of scams. Rebuild your credit for future rentals. Pay down debts, use secured credit cards, and dispute errors on your report. Also, services like Experian Boost can help by adding utility payments to your credit history.